DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan lakuna this week na una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJM TV.
Yes. First of all, make I greet all my followers, all my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you are watching me for. I just returned back from market. I did inside market since for New Benin market, for Benin, for Edo State, for Nigeria, because of some issue of evil union. All this union where they compare people to join their union before they fit sell for inside our market. It's unacceptable. So I just dey inside market since. If you dey follow me, come with lock your rugby for the Facebook. Once you go click now, come with lock your rugby, you go see when I dey inside market today. So I just returned back home. My name still remain with Lucky Orukpe, the president of the Traders Welfare Union, also the convener ASAN Gender Movement Worldwide. I get a very strong message for our Edo politicians. A very strong message for our Edo politicians. We have politicians in Edo State. We have freedom fighters in Edo State. And the freedom fighter who happened to be the governor of the state now, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, he dey watch everybody for the state and he dey watch everybody for Nigeria. So our ASAN brothers, Mona, listen to me. The politicians, some of una for ASAN, for Edo Central, make una listen very well. Election for Edo not be election of before. The election for Edo State don't go another dimension. Not be politics as usual. Now freedom fighters, politicians, and political emperors. Now the Edo State now. So if you not be freedom fighter, not just even hide the seat of councillor for your local government. If you not be freedom fighter, you know they come for good governance. This message they come from ASAN Gender Movement Worldwide now. If not for good governance, you they come. Not just hide the seat of councillor or local government chairman or House of Assembly or House of Rep or Senate or governor. If not for good governance, now you they come for. If you think say na the way they be before, when politicians go enter power of corridor, begin to butcher allocation, taxpayers' money, He go use and send his children and his wife go abroad. He go ride cars wey be say he like to ride. He go dey build house, go dey buy houses for South Africa, dey build company for Dubai. That kind election or that kind politician no get space again for Edo politics. Why are they talk this one? Now all those our Esa brothers wey just dey warm up now. They warm up. It is our turn. It is our turn. See, look, freedom fighters. All of us dey watch una for Edo Central. Wetin go make you qualify to contest for any seat again for Edo State, Edo South, Edo North, Auchi, Edo Central, Esa people. Now your character. First. Secondly, your antecedents. Wetin you don do before. Wetin you don do before. Where they give you opportunity. So, Obaseki don't change the narrative of Edo politics. That is why we the freedom fighters, the genuine freedom fighters, because get commercial freedom fighters, wey be say that if they fight, if they give them money, they go turn back, they no fight again. And they talk about the genuine freedom fighters like us. We see money for this election, we reject them. We see motor, we reject them. We see offer, different offer, we reject them. We say we deal with Godwin Obaseki. And when this struggle, they happen, I know some of our Esa brother. When you say Esa agenda, they go want give you back. When you say Esa agenda, come 2024 na Esa governor, they go turn back against you. Anti-Esa agenda, we know na for Esa. We know na for Esa. So, if you dey feel say you get influence now, make you dey warm up. You dey gather money say you want to become governor for Esa land. See, e no be like that again. Because now, not be political party we dey talk about. Na masses. Na masses they choose now. Na masses they choose. Because if you get good character, masses will know. If you not get good character, masses will also know. The Edo election will just pass. Not be Obaseki. Not be vote for itself. Now masses see good character. Now masses see the development where they do for Edo. Now masses say, okay, this Obaseki, this governor, we go give her our support. Con re, con son. The masses, now they put Obaseki there. So just get up for your mind. If you are from Esa, say the election not be as usual. Political party, PDP, APC, AGA, Labour, Co-operative, AAC. Why are they measure all of una name? Make una know. Some abracadabra wey dey happen for inside political party. Now go see person wey get good character. Because he no get money, now go dump am. Now go dey collect money for people wey get money. Now collect their money. Now come present them. Election of Edo State. The politics no fit be like that again. Are you hearing me? E no fit be like that again. Some persons they come out for social media. They talk. I quite appreciate your advice. But let me tell you something. You they say yes. They don't vote now for Godwin Obaseki. Obaseki don't win the election. Obaseki now governor of the people who vote for her and the people who no vote for her. Yes, I agree with you. But at the same time, all the betrayers who betray Obaseki, all the betrayers, all who betray Obaseki, are they ready to change? If they change, who is ready to accept them? That is the question. Because the Bible says, forgive those who trespass against you, so that your Father in heaven can also forgive you. Yes. So the Edo politics don't pass that level, say the bad, the good, and the ugly, you can bring them together. No! Obaseki government cannot bring the ugly and the bad. It can only bring the good. Yes. If you are bad and you are ugly, dey your lane. Dey your lane. If you are bad and you are ugly, Obaseki government, Edo government cannot bring you in. We need the good people with good idea, smart idea, because idea rules the world. Why will they talk and be say, it is true that my people, the Esa people, have been marginalized for so many years. The truth must be told. For 21 years, Esa never do governor, Esa never do deputy. Even at this stage where we dey now, the stage where we dey now, anybody will be say, if they come out now say you want to do governor for Esa, will be properly checked by the Benis, by the Auchi, and by the Esa people, whether it get good character. Esa people cannot just present a governor just like that. No, I am not a tribal settlement person. Obaseki suffer for this government. Obaseki suffer for this struggle. Obaseki is the first person from Edo South. Shaibu is the first person from Edo North. And Esa gender movement worldwide, they are the first people in Esa land to checkmate anybody who will come out for Esa. Yes, not be even the political party. Not be political party. Oh. If the political party, the ruling political party today, PDP, bring wrong person for Esa, everybody will move to another party again. Nobody don't know the party. So the PDP should not make mistake. Edo politics na masses versus the political emperors. You know what in Obaseki passed through? You know what Philip Shaibu passed through? You know what the Edo people, the progressive, passed through? The Togba family, you know what they passed through? The Esa gender movement worldwide family, you know what they passed through? So even if we are shouting now that it is Esa turn, it is Esa turn come 2024, all those old politicians in Esa, where they regroup themselves now, they shout Esa agenda. We will check you very well. We will check you very well. We dey hear now say some Esa politicians, they gang up, they do party, they are warming up. Come 2024. Edo politics don't pass like that. Edo politics don't pass like that. Old politicians cannot choose for Edo people. Freedom fighters, genuine freedom fighters, they are the one that is on board now. Yes. If you don't know, Obaseki is not a politician. Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, is not a politician. He's a freedom fighter. So we, the genuine freedom fighters, people like Abat Obaze, and people like Stanley Osanokwenokwe, people like Comrade Newton for Spain, Comrade Show, all these people, Lorenta, Dr. Lorenta, all these are freedom fighters. After all, when we they fight, they follow Obaseki and they laugh us. Why on account they shout this agenda now? I know how many of you I meet. Esa people, I know how many of you now. Very soon I'm going to mention name. I'm going to mention name. You know, say my own kind of style for social media, and they apply wisdom. But very soon, I'm going to mention name. I'm not be that kind of person who go come out for social media. I'm going to insult people. No. I don't insult people. I only talk wetin you do. If na lie, you go check am. Before you take action against me, you go ask yourself. I know how many ESA people I meet for this past election. I say, this is ESA agenda. Let us do ESA agenda for Mr. Godwin Obaseki so that come 2024, the ESA agenda ESA will produce governor for 2024. Let us do ESA agenda for Mr. Governor Godwin Obaseki. Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, he deserves this ESA agenda. Let us come together. Some of you were staying fence. Some of you never identify with us. But I see all of you now. Now they say, congratulations, my governor, congratulations, my digital governor, ESA agenda, ESA agenda, ESA agenda. Now, all of you now are singing ESA agenda. Why would not be like that? Why people of the world, why? Why? Somebody go they suffer. Now what collect the glory? Now not go fit. Now not go fit. ESA in diaspora. ESA in diaspora. If na dear governor want for come, if the person get good character, we go choose am, we go vote am before the election 2024. Yes. If the ESA person get one hand, may get good character, and a freedom fighter class now day, not be all those old politicians for ESA. All those old politicians for ESA, where be say, una don't go do 4 years, 8 years, 16 years, nothing to show. You are not a leader. You are not a leader. People only gather in your house to eat padadian because they are hungry. You can't see me there. People only gather in your house to drink. I don't drink. I don't smoke. So if you are calling yourself a leader in ESA land, not be leaders make Obaseki win. Announcement. Are you hearing me? Not be leaders make Obaseki win election. Now masses, we are given the credit goes to God, the glory goes to God. But you see the praise, we praise God. But now masses win election. Now masses make Obaseki win election. So this same masses where you they see now, not be leaders. Don't have it in your mind. Don't collect the glory. If you are listening to me now from Igwebe, you are listening to me from ESA West, ESA Central, ESA Northeast, ESA Southeast. Not be the leaders there. No. If you dey listen to me now for Benin, for Edo South, not be leaders make Obaseki win election. Now God and masses. After all, the leaders when we get for Edo State, if we say make we talk am, make we really talk am the way it be, the ones who deal with Mr. Godwin Obaseki with their hearts not reach 30%. They not reach 30%. Now God make Obaseki win election. Yes. I must change the mindset. I must change the mindset of our people where they home for Edo here, where they Nigeria and diaspora. Not be leaders for political party make Obaseki win election. No. Now God will give the glory and the masses. And who are the masses? Now the genuine ones inside the masses. So if you are saying Obaseki should forgive those who work against him, is a governor of everybody. Yes, Obaseki Godwin Nogaga say ono say Jele one of Ubiaja land. Is not the governor of PDP. Is a governor of Edo State. Are you hearing me? Obaseki can only work with those who need the progress of Edo State. And if you are inside Edo State, you say you want to frustrate the government of Obaseki, you will lose your memory. You will lose Borelu. I'm able say saborelu. John Okpokpo Kaka or Kaka Budo. I'm able say saborelu. Mr. Godwin Obaseki is the governor of the masses, the governor of Edo State. He's a freedom fighter. Now God and masses, now I put Obaseki there. And I will ever in my life respect Right Honorable the Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu will not betray. Are you hearing me? So if you are a leader in any local government in Edo State, try and preach good governance to your people. Try to talk to the people that you are leading. Come 2024, the freedom fighters will come again and we will pick the best one in Esa land by the grace of God, not my power. By the grace of God, not my power. And every Edo people from Benin to Auchi to Esa will come together to make a choice. If una dey say na PDP, because you know me when they talk to Nana, I not there any political party. I not there any political party. I only belongs to good governance, people that have good character. If any political party now will be say, now they are on board now. For example, PDP now be the ruling party for Edo State. The party executive, if they make mistake, go bring person where some person no want. The ones where some people want, and the freedom fighters, including the governor of the state, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, will tell us say move to another place. Yes. If na feel say I want give am pressure. Obaseki say it is Esan turn. And Esan people, we must unite. This is the time to unite. This is not the time to say Abi Ekpoma, Abi Uromi, Abi Ubiaja, Abi Igwebe, Abi Iruwa. No. Or Abi Ekpo, Ebele, Ogwa. No. Emu. Oko do I will hear me. No. No. This is the time to come together. The kind of cooperation where we need now cooperation where we say Esan go take move forward. Esan go take move forward. So if you dey waka kurukere waka, say because say you get plenty money, make you come go the lobby for 2024, make you become governor for Esan. You no go work. Because Esan in diaspora, they are watching through Esan Gender Movement Worldwide. Esan Gender Movement Worldwide is the only human rights organization in Esan land. It's a private group. So Esan in diaspora, if we have anybody in Esan in diaspora that have good character, no problem about it. If we have Esan person in Lagos, Port Harcourt, anywhere at all, we never do politics before, he get good character, no problem about it. But all these old politicians, they regroup themselves now. Meeting upon meeting, they are now shouting Esan agenda, Esan agenda, Esan agenda. When will they suffer for the Esan agenda? We're on a day. Not just to say Esan agenda for months. Esan blood, now they flow for Esan my body here. Why would they cry say we need governor? Can somebody tell me why would they cry? We need governor. We go fit bring the desired development when we need for Edo State. Not just for Esa alone. We go bring development come Benin, bring the development come Auchi, bring the development come Akoko Edo, bring the development come Owa, bring the development come Esa. At the same time, perfect in character. So for us, we dey watch. Esa gender movement worldwide. Only the members we have in 18 local governments in Edo State is all over 44,000 members, physical members. Do you know what it means for 44,000 members to start say we don't need you as governor? Yes. To say we don't need you as governor. Do you know what it means? If we come out for one spot, say we don't need you because of your character. See what you don't fair do. 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 You know do it well. Not be now. They'll come give you governor. So Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, congratulations again. You are not a politician. You are a freedom fighter. So we, the freedom fighters, the genuine freedom fighters for Africa, Nigeria, for Edo State. Now me they tap my hand for chest now. That the business of election and politics in Edo State, you have come to change the narrative. Just imagine say that Oshomole plan when it begets, it perfect and it come to pass. By now, some of us for not the state. People like Abat, Obase for not the state. People like Stali, Osano, Hudin for not the state. People like Comrade Newton for Spain. Therefore, they mock everybody now. And Esa, for 40 years, they for not see governor. According to Oshomole plan. So when they say Obaseki should bring everybody together, Obaseki is a governor of everybody, and it's not the governor for only people who vote for her. See, no advise us. Waiting within our idea. Bring your idea where the state will take move forward. Obaseki is a governor of everybody. We agree with what you they talk. But let us just tell ourselves the truth. Obaseki cannot carry the bad, the ugly along. If you are bad before, if you are ugly before, it is time you run to God. Confess your sins. Confess your sins. Yes. Because after election, the people will be say they even dey against us when they do campaign. They dey against us. And they see all of them. They do like this. Ogbane. Yes, because you people like to join the winning side. You don't like to fight. If you see good thing, you know they fit decode down. If you see person where they walk, you know they fit talk am. Now, after you don't criticize, after you don't mess yourself up, you are now begging for forgiveness. Your forgiveness, where you dey beg for, is allowed. But do you have any idea, apart from make we go motor park, go collect money, or more go inside market, go collect money? Those kind of idea cannot work now. It cannot work now. The kind of ideas we need now is how the state can move forward. Today now, there is a market. I dey inside market, inside New Benin market. And I started this journey long time ago, since 1997. Since 1997, now I started to fight extortion, multiple ticketing, multiple taxation, and evil union where they compare people to join their union before they fit sell anything for inside our market. I just dey return back home now. Can you go and do it for free? I'll be doing it free of charge since 1997. Just go Facebook, go Comrade Lucky or Rukpe for Facebook. Make sure say you go my profile. Go. You'll see fight where the fight they come. Can you do it for free? Me and my team, the Traders Welfare Union team and ESA and Gender Movement Worldwide team, we dey inside market today. Because the people where they sell meat for inside New Benin market, where they sell meat, you get some group of people that say they must join their union with 150,000 naira before they fit sell meat. That story is another day story. It can be tomorrow. I just tell you and say, see what I go work today. We went round to announce round that they should not spoil the government of Edo State, the government of Obaseki. Obaseki not send them. You can see how people, they're very wicked. Some just they support. So they support so that they'll continue with their evil business. You can't continue with your evil business. Are you hearing me? You can't continue with your evil business. You can only continue with your good idea for the state to move forward. If you want to continue with the business of extortion, business of oppressing other people, it will not work. People like us are there to expose you. We will expose you. We have an office in government house that can deal with you. We have an office. Office of the Chief Security. Office of the Senior Special Advisor on Security. May your days be long, Aruna. God will bless you. Aruna is looking for people like that want to cause hardship to Edo people. So what did you have when you are saying that Mr. Governor should forgive everybody? Mind you, Mr. Governor cannot forget because you know what in his offer. Me myself, me now, where you dey see so, not be me contest election. And everything when be say the Traders Welfare Union and the ESA and Gender Movement Worldwide do for this Edo election wey just pass. Nobody pay us 1 naira. Nobody pay us 1 naira for government house. We are doing it because of the passion we have for good governance. And we see Obaseki as a God sent. Obaseki is a product of grace. How many governors go fit give Agbero red card for states? Only 2 governors I don't try for Nigeria. Only 2 governors. Mr. Godwin Obaseki of Edo State, the governor, and Ben Ayade of Cross River. Ben Ayade, may your days be long. So when we see Obaseki, for us we get first sight. As a freedom fighter, we say, this man is not a politician, he's a freedom fighter. He's a freedom fighter. Let us support this man. Let us support this governor. That's how we key in. Time without number, I know how many times they call me for POI camp. I know how many times they call me for cash offer and Toyota Hiace bus offer from my organization. I reject the offer. If I collect the money, not go finish again. If I carry their motor, the motor not go spoil again. So please, you see this governor where just there, those state now, Godwin Obaseki, eh? Now God send a come. And anything where be say now God hand, now it dey, nobody fit do anything. So our brothers and sisters for Edo State, for 18 local governments, the Esan, the Benin, the Auchi, all of us are one. All of us are one. We are one. We are brothers and sisters. We are brothers and sisters. Except about 1% of these 3 senatorial districts, when I mention enemy of progress, where they don't want better thing for those states, we don't get joy for them. We don't get business with them. By the grace of God, I'm an evangelist. If you don't know, I am evangelist. And everybody cannot be in the altar to preach the word of God. That is why some of us, we are in the streets to deliver the children of God. So, some people, now because of when I make me come online this evening, I just return back for market. If you be politician and you there for Esan, come 2024, by the grace of God, make our hair rich. The business is not going to be business as usual. Old politicians in Esan, now they talk to now. Obaseki, don't show now. Philip Shaibu, don't show now. How to be transparent, how to get good character. We get some politicians for Esan now. We get some politicians for Esan. So don't go do 4 years for Edo State House of Assembly. Nothing to show for their constituency. We get some politicians for Esan. So don't go do 16 years for Abuja. Nothing to show for Esan. If you want to make I mention their name, just a type, say mention their name, so that I'll start mentioning their name. 16 years in power, nothing to show. One thing you don't do for Esan, and that kind of person that they call a leader because of padediam, because of fried rice and salad. Now they call a leader. How you tell me leader? Person that waste 16 years in Abuja. Some waste 8 years for Abuja. 8 years, they waste them. They don't get one thing when they bring commerce and land. Some waste 4 years for Abuja. They don't see one thing. Please come off your phone. They don't see one thing. Agenda when Obaseki want contest. Say mo do it someday. All the old politicians in Esana, they are regrouping because of there is hope for 2024. There is hope for Esa land, not be hope for old politicians. If you go take us to bring Esa governor for diaspora, we go beg the freedom fighters. I beg, see the person where we need. If the PDP party no agree, oh yeah, the leader of the freedom fighters now in Edo State choose the party, we go. Everybody move again. Go deliver good character there. Now so the election don't be for Edo State. You know, see, Edo State is the heartbeat of the nation. The people who give on the name, they don't make mistake. Heart, where they beat. So anything can happen for a heartbeat. What do you do when we dey suffer follow Mr. Godwin Obaseki? I cry, I say please, we need t-shirts, we need face cap. God will bless the America coordinator, Esa Agenda Movement worldwide. God will bless the Esa people for London and America, Asia, Europe, everywhere. Una will be old politicians for Esa. wetin una do? Na dey stand with one leg with Obaseki that time. Not be all of una, some of una, and we know una. When time reach, I go dey release una name for social media. Maybe before I finish this broadcast today, all of una name I go line am down. Now use one leg stand. Use one leg stand here. Agada. They can't do agada. One t-shirt, one. They not produce for ESA agenda, all these old politicians. One face cap. Now this say easy like that. To repair, now it hard. To very easy. As una come out, say una wan come out for governor. Now wan come out for governor. As we dey see una, we go dey protest. Diaspora, ESA in diaspora go dey protest. ESA in Lagos go dey protest. ESA in Abuja go dey protest. ESA in Port Harcourt go dey protest. ESA in Warri. ESA in Anambra. ESA in Enugu. Kaduna, Kano. ESA in Bayelsa. ESA in Igwebe, everywhere, Ekoma, the ESA agenda movement worldwide would they protest. Say, la, you can't come. So, if you not like, make una dey go midnight meeting. Now, just small information I don't hear from me, so. It is good to be good. Not be every 4 years, you go to do philanthropy to ESA people. Now they see Matthew Okpebolo, Real Royal Construction Company. He's not a politician. Now they see him. A lot of ESA people, they are fully prepared for EDO 2024 because Obaseki have come to change the music. Before, Shomole were playing reggae. Shomole, they played reggae before. But now, Obaseki now come. Are you hearing me? Obaseki is now playing, blues. Everywhere don't come. You know, says everywhere come for those states. Even when they threaten, say lions are tiger, they won't come. God in heaven say, I'm sending the lion of the tribe of the Judah to swallow any other evil lion. So lion of the tribe of the Judah, new one, they inside those states. A very big one. Any plan where any evil man or woman plan against this government of Obaseki, this present government now, do you know why we not work? Obaseki is a God's project. Right Honorable Philip Shaibu, the deputy governor, is a God's project. The freedom fighters that support Mr. Godwin Obaseki, we are God's project. So don't think you will come as smart, come and cook for people, design canopy, everybody they judge you with you, then from there, I want to do governor 2024. I want to do governor 2024. I want to do governor 2024. That kind of politics, no fear for EDO again. EDO don't pass that stage. And I dey beg Nigerians. I dey beg 36 states. Mona can't learn you work for EDO states. Mona learn you work. All Nigeria youths. When Baba say we dey lazy, say Nigeria youths dey lazy. EDO youths now don't show to the world. Say Nigeria youths, we are not lazy. We don't clean that stigma, come out. So Nigeria youths, wake up. Wake up. Stop saying my leader, my leader, my leader, my leader, my leader. And not say make you not respect your elderly one. See, some of all these politicians, some of them doesn't deserve to call leader. They doesn't deserve to call leader because they are businessmen. They are businessmen. They only come to use you every 4 years. After 4 years, they go back to their base. haven't make a lot of money in their pocket and spend small change. You are calling them your leader. Leader where you give CV, no fit give you work. Leader where you get problem, no fit solve your problem. Leader where no say you no get land, you no fit tell you say okay go collect 50 by 100. Leader where never call you one day say which work you want learn. Is that a leader? Certainly no. On my own capacity today, is I hungry? I reject money for this election. I reject motto. So you can also do it. You can also do it. You can also do it. All these old politicians will not get anything to offer. They don't see you finish. Because if they wake up in the morning, they say, my chair, my leader. Therefore, they close their say, I see this as well. Me, I use them again. He go send you, say, carry gun, go do this rough business, come. You carry gun. He can't help you. After some time, he go dump you for another person where be say, he never wise. He go start to use them again. Leader that buy you keke lape is not a leader. Keke lape is not an empowerment. Keke lape no be empowerment. Grinding machine is not an empowerment. The money that you are using to buy keke lape 800,000 for one person, gather out the money, build skill acquisition for your community. Let your community people come to learn work. If they learn work straight 3 years, now that won't be empowerment. After all, if you drive your keke, it's poor. You don't see money to buy another one again. You go back to square one. You use your grinding machine. After some time, you pack them up. No. Grinding machine are just to support. It's not an empowerment. You see somebody buying 200, 500 keke lape to share for people. Use the money to build skill acquisition. Build it for your local government and let people come. Whether the person na Hausa, na Yoruba, na Igbo, na Esau, na Edo, na Calabar, na Orobo, let them come and train free of charge. You will now know that you are a leader. So I will leave this broadcast here. My brothers and sisters, in case you want to reach me for more information, 08053841781. 08053841781. Follow me, Comrade Lucky Orukpe, for Facebook. Help me to share my video. God will bless you. You see this work, what they do so? Una they watch am, it go better for una. Anything wanna put hand, it go better for una. You okay, Saneri, wo deneri, wo wa. Why is that we worry? 2024. Ose sankino. A son of one lang be Adam governor now. Old politicians see change me governor what toy son. Or would I go to Rebenia? E azune ashi PDP. Ege akise. Esa in diaspora. Esa in Nigeria. Maki decide. Or another arena. Wa bulu. Wa rockpa lu iwo kisa. Omeniwa. Wa river lu omeniwa. Why that you over there? Ene luwe be da mieva. Oji da mieva. Omono se va rebe. Omono se va rebe e a rockpa lu omenele. E a river lu omenele. Omo abieba. Eyo saluba. By that now osa. Ona ma believe in us in Jesus. Thank you and God bless you.
DJM TV.
My brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, abeg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this.
DJM TV. DJM TV.